Hello, follow internet. After open our Inkscape, go inside file, hit import. Now after getting this pop-up, go inside desktop or whatever your file location. Now getting this pop-up to select your file. Now hit embedded and everything gonna default. Hit OK. You can see our JPG file display here. Now I'm going to select this circle button here. After that, select the portion to circle, and you can see this is display red color. Now I'm going to hit this color. After fill, it will display the fill and stroke, this pop-up. Now I'm going to select this opacity 0. Now you can see this red color gone. Now I'm going to hit this transform. After that, I'm going to hit shift and click on my mouse. Now you can see this portion also selected. What I need, this is where select before. Now I'm going to hit object. After that, go inside clip, hit set. You can see only this portion are cropped what I need. Now I'm going to close this and open this icon. You can see this is align and distribute. Now hit this center on vertical axis. After that, center on horizontal axis. You can see this is inside the page what I'm going to save. Now I'm going to hit file and export PNG image. Hit here. It will display this pop-up, export PNG image. Now you can resize your image. Now you can see this is the location from where I'm going to save my file. You can also change the location and just hit this export to save your crop file. Thank you very much.